I have to be the worst person with a drone. For anybody, I know you're asking yourself right now while you're watching this going, is he wearing pink sunglasses? You're damn right I am. My truck's just full of GoPro mounts everywhere. When people get in them and I have the GoPros on, they're always like,
okay, what's going on here, man?
What kind of website's this gonna be uploaded to? Right here to your left, you guys can see that I'm just f***ing with you guys. Sunday was full of brunch. This is what happened Monday. Today's Monday. I just finished a podcast. The link for that stuff down below, and I'll put a little thing here right now when I'm talking. Those are all eco-friendly burnables, don't worry. Last night was the Super Bowl. I ate probably 4 pounds to 5 pounds of buffalo chicken wings. I ended up doing just a bunch of paperwork that day, so let's skip ahead to Tuesday because the skid steer's got a brand new track on it. Bye, office. I just got word from Cat. They just called me and said, hey,
your skid steer's ready.
And that's how they sound. We're gonna go down there and go pick up the skid steer. It's got a new track on it, so I'll bring you guys with me. We'll go drop it off because we are getting a snowstorm. Yeah, baby. Coo, coo, coo. Look at all that yellow. Yeah, these are pretty cool. I think, oh no, sorry, these aren't mulchers, these are sweepers. BP 15B. That's a pretty slick little unit, and that is too. Then you got some augers, tires. You got a couple backhoes back there, a little D5. Lots of stuff going on here. Oh, look at the tires. Those are cool. Whoa. Look at those. Those are the airless tires. Oh, look at this. 360 bucket on this one. That's cool. I like that roto tilt. That is really cool. She needs a bit of paint. Oh yeah, new track. Beauty, baby. It's ours. GoPro mount. Keys in it? Nope. Guys need a new window. Skid steer door. Glass. I always thought they were plexi, unless this is an old model. It's cool. Engine speed limited, warm-up mode. We're in warm-up mode. And yes, I'm switching to ratchet binders. If there's a company out there that wants to work with me, everyone's ripping on me for using the lever ones, and I know that they are outdated. They're not illegal. We wrap them in wire and stuff. Some people are saying they're illegal, they're not. But they are outdated and unsafe, so I will be switching over everything. Grab some wire, wrap these.
Why you be all in my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Don't hang with a line for nothing. I see that we different, you riding, I double. I don't do discussions on bragging about hundreds. Don't go to your places, I know that they sunken. Don't call me your brother, I barely could trust you. I talked to a shorty, she bagging the bucket. And I'ma need all of my dollars on corporate, so hand me the money, I divvy the pot. I'ma give all of my people a portion to build them a fortune on flipping the ride. I can't be mixy when iffy to rob. And 40 on 50 is spirit of time. Why are you all on my phone?
Yeah, for sure. Man, I feel like I've never driven one of these things before. What do you call one of these things? Goodbye, skid steer. Have fun sitting here till the storm. Oh, we're gonna move a bunch of dirt, guys. We're gonna set up a time lapse. We're gonna move a bunch of dirt. Do you think we'll ever see the day that you have specific keys for specific machines? Because any cat key works in any piece of cat machinery. I don't know if that's the case for other stuff. Well, I mean, it's the case with Komatsu because our shovel key works in our loader, so. what we are doing here is I'm going to be taking this entire pile right here, and essentially what I want to do this year is completely transform the entire yard. So this entire pile that's right here, that's where the screener and stuff was last year. I'm taking this whole entire section, and it's all really nice stuff that can get screened in the topsoil. But the problem is this year we're going to be doing some sand and selling specialized sand and stuff out of here, which is going to be super exciting. We're getting a set of scales put on the loader, and it's going to be an even bigger operation than it was last year. In order to do that, I need to create more room. We have tons of room back there now that, if you guys watched the end of last year's video, I completely re-transformed the whole back section back there. So essentially what I'm gonna do now is take this whole middle section, pull it all the way back to the edge of our property, and have one big open area where I can have sand in different spots. Trucks can come in, pull around, and yeah, it's gonna be an organized thing. So we're gonna get started on that. I got time lapse set up. It's gonna be a couple days of just pulling. I know I should be using the 20 ton or something even bigger than a 20 ton. This is like thousands of cubic yards of soil, but this is what I have to work with right now is the 8 ton. The 20 ton's out on a job. So we're gonna make it work with what I got, and I'm gonna take the slack for it. So it's going pretty good. I just switched up the time lapse. So you guys would have saw the time lapse switch from one location to the other, and that's purely because we've driven over top of that section, so it drove the frost down deep into the ground. But this section here, this stuff is awesome. Like, I can just go ahead, pull this stuff up. Sorry, it's kind of hard with one hand. And as you guys can see, it's nice.
Fucking guy gonna kill a bulldozer.
Yeah, it's not good for the pins. You're supposed to put it flat and the boom at 90. It's all good. Like I said, he can do what he wants. It's freaking early. It's Wednesday. We're gonna get after it.
Just like that, just like that.
Beautiful Wednesday morning. This morning, just got the workout in, and then Kenny called me and informed me that we're having yet another problem with the triaxle. I don't think I've openly talked about the amount of troubles that this truck has given us, the amount of breakdowns that it has given us. Fortunately, with today's problem, he was still able to go out on rental, but it's a compressor problem. It builds up to 150. What I think it is, and what I'm pretty sure we know it is, it's the air dryer freezes up on us. Somehow we're still getting water, and the air dryer is freezing up overnight. So it's not allowing it to purge through the air dryer. Instead, it's purging through the compressor top of the block, like with a blow-off valve, kind of. Oh, I already got my coffee, dude.
Oh, you already got it?
Yep.
This man.
My baby's back. Get in my belly. Oh. All right, we are back now. Belly's full. Shovel's back here. We're gonna fire it up, and we're gonna get started here on moving some material. Still not sure if I want to use the Volvo. I'm still not sure if I want to use the Volvo as a rock truck. I'm not sure what I want to do yet. Like, I know I need all the material back there, but the problem is I run into better stuff that I know is gonna be lighter at the beginning of the year. Oh, I'll figure that out once
I figure it out.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm such a fat fuck, I gotta put air in this. Fucking beautiful out today. Oh, I feel great, man. That our buckets changed. The new bucket changer 5000. Let's do a bucket test. This is how I test my bucket. I put it down, I put pressure on the teeth, and I push up. It's on. My time lapse that I had on decided not to record, so that was fantastic. But basically, just spent a couple hours. We got it done. We shoveled it out, and everything happened as planned. There is like 4 feet of frost here. Yeah. There's Kenny. How's a big day trucking?
Just lovely. Then they cut us off.
Yeah. I came to the conclusion I don't want to leave it like that. Another beautiful sunset here on Carp Road. Look at that. It's snowing. Healing up for the big storm. Ooh. All right, we are just plowing out here right now, so we're supposed to be getting a lot more snow tonight. Beauty morning this morning. Snow's still coming down. We're not going to do a full cleanup right now. We're just going to be opening up ways. Then I'm going to head to the yard because we got trucks going out and open up the yard with the loader. But beauty morning, we got lots of snow. The roads are terrible, so drive safe. Getting white. Is your Patriot? So the temperature's dropping a little bit, but what I did was cleared out this area a little more wide. We've been kind of creeping in, making it a little narrow. I'm gonna lay out some salt. Timmy's. I drive like a dick. Okay, we're gonna fuel this up, and that's gonna be the end of this, guys. You're gonna need to subscribe to watch the next video. Okay. If you guys want to watch the next part of the video, which is going to be the plowing and a bunch of other just interesting shit that I'm getting into, I want you guys to subscribe. Make sure that you guys are doing that. Stay tuned for next week's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. I'm really enjoying the new style, the way things are going. So thank you to the True Patriots, everyone who's subscribing. I appreciate you, and we'll catch you on the next one. And of course, no, I didn't forget about you guys, the true ones, the true patriots of the channel that watch the entire videos to the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of those true patriots, I want you guys to comment down below, get it, baby. Why get it, baby? This week was full of moving dirt, getting stuff done, bouncing around from site to site, moving things, reaching out to people. It's just been insane, and I've been getting it. So if you watch the entire video to the very end, comment down below, getting it, baby. I appreciate you guys, and we'll catch you on the next one. Fill her up, baby. Oh, fill her up.